Kali Linux versus Ubuntu versus Mint. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down Kali Linux Ubuntu and Linux Mint, three popular Linux distros that look similar at first glance but are actually built for very different users. Let's start with Kali Linux. It's made for penetration testing and cybersecurity work. Comes preloaded with tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and Wireshark. If you're into ethical hacking or learning how systems get tested, Kali is a go-to, but it's not meant for everyday use. Unless you're deep into security, you might find it overkill. Next up is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the most popular of the bunch. Perfect if you're just getting started with Linux. It's user-friendly, has great hardware support, and works well for both personal use and development. Great for new users, developers, and people who want something that just works out of the box. Now let's talk about Linux Mint. Mint is even smoother for beginners. Feels more like Windows, doesn't change much between versions, and comes with all the codecs and drivers ready to go. Perfect if you're switching from Windows and want something familiar without any tech headaches. So which one is better? If you're into cybersecurity or ethical hacking, go with Kali Linux. If you're new to Linux and want something solid, try Ubuntu. And if you're coming from Windows and want comfort, Linux Mint might be your best bet. Let me know in the comments which one you run. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.